Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect Facebook Pixel to Woocommerce, even when your ad account limit is reached. So let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins, and then click on Add New. A new page will appear. From here, navigate to the search bar in the top right and type Pixelier site. Install and activate this plugin. It's free and works perfectly with Woocommerce. Now, instead of creating a new Facebook ad account, you will use your business manager. Go to business.facebook.com and log in. From the business settings, create a new business asset group if needed, and then generate a new pixel under data sources. This doesn't require opening a new ad account. Copy the pixel ID and go back to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, click on Pixelier Site Settings. A new page will appear. Paste your pixel ID in the required field and click Save. Next, test your pixel by going to Events Manager in Facebook and clicking on Test Events. Visit your Woocommerce store in a new tab, and you should see the events like Page View, View Content, and Add to Cart firing in real time. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.